Welcome students. Today we will find out square root by division method of any given number. So when we are having a number and we have to find out its square root by division method, just see what the steps are there. So whenever we are having a number, for example we are having a number 2304. So for finding the square root by division method, first of all we will make the pair, and making pair we will start from right hand side. So one pair, two pair of two numbers only. Okay, so just see how we will find out. We are having a number 2304. We will make the pair. Okay, so for it we will take the square only. Square only means we will not take 2 ones are, 2 threes are, 2 fours are. We will only take 2 twos are, 3 threes are, 4 fours are. Means only we will take the square. Okay, now see, 23 needs to be divided. So we will check by which number. 2 twos are 4. No. 3 threes are 9. No. 4 fours are 16. Maybe. 5 fives are 25. It is greater than. So what the number we will use? 4 fours are 16. So we are having the remainder as 7. And we will write 04. The pair we will copy. Then the next step, twice of that number. Twice means we will multiply the given by 2. So twice of it, yani 4 twos are, that is 8. Okay. Now after 8 we will take a number and we will multiply by that number only. For example, if after 8 you will take 1, so you will multiply by 1, 81. Okay. If you will take 2, you will multiply by 2. Okay, so the same we will follow. So we will check that which number, what number will satisfy that one. Okay, so we will take the another number. We will check 8. So whatever we will check, 84 fours are. No. Okay, if it is a perfect square, you can check it, that number, what that number is. It is 4. So you can also check that by which number you are getting it. For example, 8 8 is 64. Unit digit is 4. So you can also check it by 8. 8 8 is 64. Again 8 8 is 64, 7. We are getting it. So 8 8 is 704. We are getting 0 as a point. If we are getting 0 means it is a perfect square and obtain it is the square root. So square root of 2304, it is 48. Okay, this all is our rough work only. You are getting it or not? Okay, one more question we will discuss here. Just see one more number. See one more example. Again we will make the pair. So 5 7 7 6. So just check it. 7 sevens are 49. 8 8s are 64. It is greater than. So we will take 7 sevens are 49. What the remainder we are getting? 8. And we will copy 77. Now twice of will. Okay. Now see what the number is. 6. We will check it. By which number we will get it. So 144 fours are. 4 fours are 16, 4 fours are 16 and 17, 4 ones are 4 and 5. Okay, this one is the lesser one. So again we will check any another number. So 6 6 is 36, 24, 25, 26, 27. So here we are getting. So what the number we will take? 876. So we are getting 0. So square root for 5776 is 76. Okay. Now some questions are there in which decimal sign is there. You have to find out the square root and with decimal sign. Okay. So now see, whenever we are having the number with decimal sign, how we find out the square root. See, we are having the number 51.84. So we will find out its square root. 51.84. 4. Same pair we will make. So check it. 7 7s are 49, and what we are getting 2. Now we have to copy 84. The pair we will copy, that is known to you. Okay, now instead of decimal, because before 84 there is decimal sign, so when you copy 84 you will put decimal here. Now twice of it 14. So now check for what it will be satisfy. We will check it. So 142, 2s are 284. Okay, so square root of 551.84, it is 7.2. Okay, now one more question is there, that is question number 2. For question number 2, the question is find the number of the digit in the square root without calculation. You have to find out the digit in the square root. So just check. So question number 2 is you have to find out number of digits in square root. So just see what the example initially we have seen. When we are doing a square of 1, we are getting 1. Square of 9, 81. Square of 10, 100. Okay, square of 100 we are getting this one. Now compare the numbers. For 1 we are having 1 digit. For 2 we are having 1 digit. For 3 we are having 2 digit. Okay, now check one more. For 99, just check it for 99. So 9 9s are 81, 9 9s are 81, and okay, just check it. We are getting that one. Okay, so in this if it is 2 we are having 4 numbers. So if it is 3 we are having 5 numbers. So this process will be continuous. How? For 1 or 2 number, digit in square root 1. For 2 or 3 number, digit in square root 2. For 3 and 4. For 5 and 6, digit in square root 3. So this process will be continuous. Okay, so this is all regarding number of digit in square root. Just see little bit of correction it here. It is 9801. So read it out correctly. So all these things now it is clear to you all, that how to find out number of digit in square and square root. Okay. So it is question number 1, 2, 3 of exercise 6.4. Rest of the question we will discuss in next video. Thank you.